Want to be able to access all the videos on YouTube? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube in any web browser. Now let's get started. Open whichever web browser you prefer to use on your PC or Mac and go to youtube.com. Sign in to your YouTube account. Now, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. At the bottom of the menu that appears, click Restricted Mode On. Now, click the blue switch to deactivate restricted mode. If restricted mode was locked to the browser you're using, click Unlock Restricted Mode on this browser. Now you'll need to enter the password for your YouTube account to disable restricted mode. If restricted mode is locked to that browser, you cannot unlock and disable it without the account password. That's all it takes to disable restricted mode on YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.